A nice connection there. Well, hot on the heels of the NAB, Westpac has announced it's raising its interest rates for investors and owner-occupiers. Just 0.07 and 0.03% for owner-occupiers, but 0.25 and 0.28% for investors. Two of the big four are doing what the Reserve Bank wants, limiting borrowings to investors to cool the property market. But they're feeling the political heat from both sides.
Every step they take, they are going to have to be accountable to the people of Australia.
Unlike Mr Turnbull, I wouldn't give the banks a massive tax cut. I would give them a royal commission.
And Domain's chief economist, Dr Andrew Wilson, joins us now from Sydney. Good morning to you. Nice to talk to you.
Nice to talk to you.
Is this a case of not if but when the other banks follow suit and lift their rates too?
I think that's a pretty good bet, Monica. I think that banks will follow. It's no surprise that we are seeing rates rise now. Banks are in the same environment that we're seeing consumers' income growth is low in this low income, low interest rate, low inflation economy. They're struggling to find depositors, both locally and internationally. And of course that means they've got a responsibility to their shareholders to maintain their profit levels. And the way they do that is by increasing interest rates. Now, it's marginal increases, of course, but I do think we will see more through the year.
OK. Now, the Prime Minister, Malcolm Turnbull, is suggesting that people shop around if they don't like what their bank is offering. But if you're saying that all the other banks are going to come on board, do people have much choice?
Well, look, they don't. And as I said, it is a marginal increase at this stage. But I think that we'll continue to see higher interest rates through the year from the banks. And I think the problem really lies in this differentiation between higher rates for investors and a lower rate rise for owner-occupiers. And look, we have some issues with our rental markets, particularly Sydney and Melbourne. I think the last thing tenants would be looking for in those markets are fewer investors, which would mean higher rents. So I think there's some thought to be given in terms of that rebalancing impact that higher rates are directed to at the moment.
Yeah, all right. Andrew, always good to talk to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.